Welcome to today's Granada Houses video. We're in the Andalusian province of Granada, in the small town of Illora, to visit this amazing townhouse. As you can see, it's in an interesting little street which has good access, easy walking distance to bars and shops, and you also have the amazing church close by. Very beautiful structure. So we enter to a distribution hall, which has another hallway just beyond. And on the left here is a small sitting room, which would also make a really nice office. On the right side, we have a room that's currently being used as a bedroom, but of course that use can be changed at any time. Stairs up to the left, there's a nice big cupboard under the stairs. And then this is the kitchen. It's extremely basic, but for the price this house is being sold for, you'll have plenty of money to make the renovations that you want. As we go outside, there's a bathroom here on the left hand side. You'd want to incorporate a bathroom into the main house in another area for sure. And then there's this covered part to the terrace with water, gas boiler. And then the surprise is out the back here. We start with this open terrace, but then as we go further around, there's this large building here, which is ripe for making another apartment, 2 more apartments, workshops. There's so many possibilities. This was the original kitchen to the house. It still has the large fireplace and the old sink. And then from here we have this huge room . And underneath this area we have exactly the same again, and it's more stable-like underneath. The wire is up just to stop the pigeons from getting in. But it's pretty much the same footprint as above. So as you can see, there's lots of space and there's lots of possibilities for this house. So now we're going to go inside and then look at the spaces upstairs. There's a nice wide staircase, and as you can see, there's Andalusian style tiling, half tiling. Porthole window, very traditional, very stylish. And at the garden side, we have this one large room, high ceilings, very traditional in these old houses. And then on the street side, there are further 2 rooms. Now they are one off the other. So we think that you could either remove this wall here and have this room as an ensuite, or move the door across so that this door you could make a small entryway and then have 2 completely separate bedrooms. And then we go up to the last floor of the house. It's a lot of property. There's another traditional porthole. This floor has brick tiling, original brick tiling, and both views over the courtyard and the street side. And as you can see, lots of exposed beams, big planks for the roof. There's roof tiles on top of that, but it's a huge area. This would have been where the family originally would have hung their pork, their sausages, all of the products from the Matanza. So that's this amazing large house in Illora. Please like and share this video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Leave comments in the section below. If you'd like to book a viewing, you can also do that using the comments section. Hit the notification button so that you get upcoming videos as they're loaded. Thank you for watching.